Have you ever asked yourself, why do you tip? Let's take a second to reflect on the negative aspects behind it. You are forced to deal with awkwardness in deciding a server's wage, which isn't fair, and you're also left with kind of embarrassment doing math towards the end of your meal when you might be with a large party, with a friend, with a date, and you're forced to calculate how much tip should I leave for the server. I'm sure many of you have ate at a public restaurant and have left with thinking, should I tip the waitress or the waiter? I don't know. You're just left confused. Did you know that we're one of the only countries who still use the tipping structure? I've done a big amount of researching through databases, newspaper articles, and watched a lot of videos that have led me to believing why a tipping practice should be banned. The social norm of tipping should be banned for a number of reasons. Before I get into all of that, I want to discuss where it came from, some of the statistics behind it, why it negatively impacts everyone, and I want to provide a solution to end tipping. The origins of tipping are very vague, but it may have came from the late Middle Ages to where the lord or the master would have gave his servant or laborer a few extra coins, either from compassion or appreciation of a good deed, in which it was kind of used as a form of bribery for the wealthy to get what they wanted. During this research, at least 3 studies have demonstrated a racial disparity in the amount of money cab drivers and restaurant servers receive in tips. The facially neutral policy of basing restaurant servers' income largely on tips they receive produces a discriminatory outcome by paying white servers more than non-white servers. I want to talk about why it is bad for the server. Well, they have inconsistent wages that are decided by the customer. Is it fair? Absolutely not. Why should I decide how much I want to give the waiter or waitress when I don't know what's really going on in their life? Another study showed that the tipping has been shown to be biased. And also, your wage relies on many different factors when you are a waiter or waitress, which is unstable. Your color, your gender, what you're wearing, your body language, the way you're speaking, just all of those things that a customer walking in, sitting at your table of who you're serving, will look at you in that point. To me, it's kind of judgmental, which is absolutely not fair. I want to talk about why it's bad for us, the customer. Well, the customer is left with awkwardness at the end of each meal. If I'm out with a bunch of my coworkers, family, friends, a date, I will feel a little bit pressure of, how much should I put? What percentage should I put? Will this person judge me for how much I should put? All of those things kind of embarrass you, and you don't want to deal with that awkwardness. We're also forced to calculate a percentage based on the total. Why should I have to calculate that when I'm just out casually having a dinner? I don't want to have to do all of that math when I'm coming out and just wanting to eat and, enjoy my time. I think that should be calculated by the restaurant depending on what you've ordered, the size of the party, all of that. That's something I believe the restaurant should dictate. And also, why should I, the customer, be held responsible for the server's wage? I don't think that's up to me. I don't think that's fair for me to decide. I think, you may walk into a restaurant, whether you have a good server or a bad server, they may be having a bad day if they have a little bit of an attitude or something. I don't think that justifies all the hard work they do throughout an 8-hour shift, and I come and I sit down and I have to choose how much this person gets and goes home with. Like I mentioned before, I don't know what the situation is. I don't know what they're going through, but I don't feel comfortable being held responsible for that person's wage. That is, again, something that their boss, their owner, somebody else needs to decide other than me. I'm just there wanting to eat, and that's that. I want to talk a little bit about why it's bad for the restaurant. well, restaurants don't actually make any more money than they were to simply incorporate it in their menu. They should just, in my opinion, they should just put that in the prices of the meal. If you order this, they should add an extra amount that would go towards the server. To me, that sounds simple. Maybe a little bit more work for the restaurant, but I feel like it just decreases any type of awkwardness for the server, for the customer, and avoids any type of issue. I also think that it's not stable income, and studies have shown it to be random. It has nothing to do with percentages, or it has nothing to do with whether you're a good server or a bad server, whether you've been attentive, whether you've been coming and checking up on the customer, if they need a refill, if they need anything. It has nothing to do with that. It's actually all very random. And the fact that a server comes out and does the best and does everything they can, sometimes maybe even fakes it because they're like, wow, this is a big party, or this person looks like they're wealthy, so let me overdo it, let me go out of my way to serve this person because I'm sure they will be leaving me a big fat tip. I don't think that's fair. I think everybody should be coming in, doing their job, being real, all of that. I don't think you should go that extra mile to, think that, okay, if I do this, I'll get more money or I'll get more tips. So this is why I believe that tipping should be banned for all of these reasons. Again, I don't think it's fair that we, the customers, should decide how much the server gets. It's not up to us. We go to a restaurant, regardless, we're paying. And that should be something where, as I mentioned before, the restaurant, the owner, all of that should be dealt with on their end, and I shouldn't have to go and decide what the server gets. So let me know what you guys think, any questions you have, any feedback, anything of that sort, and if you are in agreement that tipping should be banned in the U.S. Thank you.